Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share with you guys my Crack the Vault project. This collaboration is hosted by Jamie, Poetspice here on YouTube. We come on every third Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we share with you projects using products from our stash that are 6 months or older, or new crafty products that we have added to our vault. And also my project is for Christmas all year, as well as pre-made to handmade. And those are two collaborations that I am hosting that was from last week that I was unable to come on and share. All of the information will be listed down in the description box below, as well as the participants for Crack the Vault. So make sure you check that out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at Scrappassion01. Please follow me over there as well. So let's get started, you guys. I don't want to hold you long. I'm going to first share with you the new items that I use for Crack the Vault. And then I'm going to share with you what I use for pre-made to handmade. This is the new die set that I played with by Scrap Diva Designs. This is called the 5x7 folio die set. So I was so happy to be able to crack the vault on this die set. I also used this new embossing folder by Frank Garcia. It's called Ribbons and Seams. This is a 3D embossing folder, and you guys, it is so pretty. So I was also happy to go ahead and use this embossing folder. Here are some other goodies that I played with. So my paper came from Andrea Bethke. It's called The Merriest. I used a sticker embellishment from This Creative Life sticker set that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I also pulled out Perfect Touch rectangles and tag. I use this all the time, but I decided to go ahead and share. This is a very versatile die set. I absolutely love it. And lastly, we all have these in our stash. We pick these up from Target every year. This is the adhesive square label pockets. I used only one of these. Okay, next up, I'm going to share with you guys the item that I use for my pre-made to handmade. And you guys, check out how cute this turned out. I am squealing right now because I love how this turned out. I kept it very clean and simple, and I love it. So here is the box that came with that makeup set that I purchased from TJ Maxx. I didn't have to do much at all to this. When I saw this in TJ Maxx, I knew immediately what I was going to use it for. For $5, it was a steal, and I knew that I wanted to put either a mini album or a folio inside. And you guys, it is so stinking cute. So let's start up here. Very simple. All I did was added this gemstone in the center of that bow, and that was it. Down here, of course, we want to keep the Grinch. I love the Grinch here. And it had the writing for the 4-piece makeup kit there, so I had to cover that up. I had this already stamped and embossed in my stash. I just put it there, and then I added a cute little present embellishment there. And it looks just like that bow. Isn't that cute? I love the iridescent snowflakes here, and so I played off of that. And I covered the back, and I used this silver iridescent mirror card on the back. So that's what made me do that. And then on the side here, you can see the snowflakes, the iridescent snowflakes there. I love this little pool right here. And that is it. Voila, isn't this cute? And so let me share with you guys how my cute little folio turned out. You guys, check out my folio. Squeal again. her. She is so cute. So this is an image that I purchased from Etsy. I will leave the seller below in the description box. I thought she was so adorable. And I used photo paper, the glossy photo paper, to print her out. Now this image, if you purchase it, is huge. It's like 13 by 13. And it's for sweatshirts, t-shirts, backpacks, you know, things like that. But I wanted it to scale it down and use it for my crafting. So I had to resize her so that I can use her on my project. And I love how she turned out. And I love that glossy photo paper. I think I'm gonna have to pick up some more of that. I wanted her to be the focal point, so I didn't add anything else besides this gemstone in the center of her bow, and that is it. And it says Santa's least favorite. Love it, love it, love it. And then I went with the iridescent mirror card again, bouncing off of the box with the iridescent is why I use that. So I followed a tutorial for this folio. I will link that tutorial below, but I kept mine very simple. I just showcased mostly the papers because I'm going to use this for photos, and I didn't want to do a whole lot so that I can put some Christmas photos inside. So let me share with you the papers inside from Andrea Bethke. So I went with this stripe here on the side, and then you open it up. And so I did follow the tutorial or the ideal for this little flap with the eyelets and the cute ribbon. I love that ideal. So let me open this up. And so this flips like this. And then photos can go in the inside of the flap here, as well as a large photo here and a photo here. And look at that. I love that. So let me tie this back up. So on this side, this is a pocket. And I added the cute little hearts here. That's the ephemera from the paper collection. And then what I did a little different, I added that clear pocket up here at the top. I thought that was cute because I wanted to showcase once again this cute Grinch image. So that goes back inside like that. And then this flips down like this. And then I have some of the pattern paper in here as well as here for large photos. And then here's this side with this paper. And then on the back side is where I use the embossing folder with the silver iridescent mirror card. Isn't that cute? Look at that embossing on that. That is so pretty. And so this is how my 5x7 folio turned out. So let me share with you the inside of the box. And here is the inside. It has this green inside. And so since I'm doing Grinch, I just left it green, right? And so this goes down in here like this. Isn't this cute? I love her. She's so cute. And that is my project share for you guys today for Crack the Vault, Christmas all year, and pre-made to handmade all in one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like up the video if you like my project. Help support me, please, here on YouTube. You guys, and make sure you check out the other ladies. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.